Hey guys, this is video number 3. We're going to work on a few more text adjustments. So, we already did outline, bold, and then bend text. We are going to work on shadow now. So go ahead and make sure you choose the text in the toolbar, add text. We're going to title this shadow. You can do it, all caps, or you can do lowercase, whatever you want. Just make sure that you pick a different color that you haven't already chosen. It's kind of cool color, actually. So when you do shadow, you want your fill to be a lighter color. Well, you could choose dark, but it looks kind of cooler if you do lighter color. And then we are going to go to styles. In here, you can see you have background, outline, or shadow. We're going to choose shadow. Here in the color, you can choose the color. Now, I really like to choose a black so that it's darker and you can really see it. And so here you can see the shadow is starting to show up, but I want to show you the adjustments. So if we were to, let's scroll down here, we're going to increase the opacity. So the higher the opacity, the more black it is. Obviously, the lower it's going to be more gray. I like it pretty dark, but again, this is whatever you want. Now, looking at the vertical and the horizontal position, this is going to move your shadow to the right or to the left. So you can choose that. Vertical is going to make it go down or up. So you can also choose that. Okay, so you can manipulate your shadow however you want, change your color. You can make it gray shadow, black shadow, whatever you choose. All right, so now we're going to work on background. Let's go ahead and hit text. We're going to do a new text. We're going to title this background. Okay, now for background, we want to go ahead and actually not change the color of the font because we will change that later. We're going to go to styles and we're going to click on background. Now, as you can see, when you change the background, you are creating just a background color. Okay, you can change that background color right here. Let's say I want to pick red. Okay. Now, for this particular, you can always leave text color in there. So you can do that for this assignment. Just please make sure it's a different color so I can see the word background. But you also can punch out particular areas. So if you click this here, it actually removes the text color in there. So that looks pretty cool. But what you need to do for this assignment is make sure you have a background rectangle shape that is inside the word background. All right, and for the very last, probably the hardest is free distort. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do a completely separate video because I want to be able to really show you how to use distort. And it's probably the most useful, distort and bend text, when you're going to do an art project. And so I really want you to understand how to do distort. So I will see you in video number 4 in free distort.